So hi everyone, welcome to Physics Coach. Today we are going to learn this doubt, how to solve this question, what is the approach. So first of all, read the question carefully. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror at various position. Here, column 1 and column 2 represent the position of object. In column 2, the nature, position and size of image formed. So this is very basic question. If you understand, if you know, at center of curvature, in case of just quickly, I will discuss this is a concave mirror. So in case of concave mirror, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. So if an object is placed at center of curvature, its image will be formed at center of curvature, same size as object, like this. Clear? If an object is placed beyond C, then image is formed between C and F, but the size of image will be lesser than the size of object. It will be like this. Clear? Understood? If object is placed very nearer to P, meaning is that between pole and focus, like this. So in this case, image is formed virtual. Clear? Behind the mirror. And it is magnified. Alright. At focus, if you kept an object at focus, then image at infinity will be highly magnified. Highly magnified. Clear? Very, very large. At infinity. Image. Okay, very, very large image. So we can check at focus, real inverted and highly enlarged. At center of curvature, exactly erect and behind the mirror, no. Very nearer to P. What is that? Very near to P means between pole and focus, and this is the only case where image is formed virtual and erect and behind the mirror. Clear? So first and fourth is correct. Between C and F, virtual inverted, no. At center of, this is also wrong. So option, which option is correct? Option B. Option first and second, clear? That is not correct. Here, at center of curvature, image nature will not be like it will not form between pole and focus. This is wrong. Between C and F, image is formed beyond C. Okay, I know it is it is not virtual. First of all, it is real. That is also wrong. So correct option is first and fourth. So if you know the if object is at center of curvature, where is the image? If you know those ray diagram, then you can solve this question. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Still you have doubt? अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है अभी भी मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ. You can comment me in this video. I will take your query. और इसके अलावा आपका कोई भी और भी डाउट हो आप भेज सकते हैं मेरे को. मेरा नंबर है 9520619791. ओके. अच्छे से बोर्ड रिवीजन करते रहे अपना. क्वेश्चन लगाते रहे खूब सारा और आपका अच्छा ही होगा. ओके. वी आर विथ यू. थैंक्स अ लॉट.